So this is our project choosing and security network components. It's by me, Roshan Rochin, and Deja. So the router, we had to choose one router and one desktop under $1,000. So the router we choose was Asus RT AX 8AU dual bands, and it cost around $349, so $350. And it has a good speed, so it has a 5 gigahertz and sometimes go up to 804 megabits per second. And it has a good variety of connectivities like 8 times gigabytes lane and 1 times one. That's one is basically internet connection. And some of the features it has was link creations and traffic analyzer. So when it has more traffic, it will analyze and you just reconnect. And it definitely has Wi-Fi 6, and some of the network securities he has was Air Protection Pro and malware site blockers. And it definitely support IFTTT, and some of the future administrator role was like firewalls, SSH, basic network keys. And for desktop, we choose Acer's Asperis TC885UA91, and cost only $650. Is a good budgeted desktop to use for basic uses. So especially with the router, it will help you more securize it. And it has a 6-core Intel core, and it's an i5 processor, and it has a memory up to 32 gigabytes. And the storage is very wonderful on it. It's a 1 terabyte, and it has a ultra high definition graphics, and the wireless lane is a 802.11 AC. That's a protocol for wireless, and is a compact. It has a compact design with full complement of ports, and it has an optical drive. And for this project, the discovery what we have found is the problem statement is you move to a house and you're looking to upgrade and replace some of your internet and network devices. And we have $1,000 to buy new devices. So we had to research and pick a new desktop computer and a new router for the house. And in earlier slides we did the specifications, and the specified specs will tell you which one to choose, like why is it good and why you had to buy it. So that's it. And the scope of the problems, some of the problems was network security. That was a main issue. So network security is crucial for both personal and professional network, both in house and high speed internet. And there are numerous breaches of computer securities every day across the world. So you had to be up to date in network security, so you will have less breaches and stuff. And hackers always seek for new weakness to take advantage of informations about business or personal. So that's why you need to upgrade your networks. And the impacts are functionality. Second is privacy and security, and third is intellectual property protection, and fourth is compliance. And the risks of those impacts are evolving network attack methods, user adheres, remote and mobile access, and third-party partners. And the people affected by this networks and stuff is like professional developers, community attorneys, entrepreneurs. Definitely, they'll be always vulnerable, and definitely individuals. Every day to day, there's here and there people will be always be affected by networks.
And this is the design part of the presentation. The 10 steps that we would use, the first one is using a firewall. The second is installing antivirus software. The third is installing an anti-spyware package. Fourth is using complex passwords, two-factor authentication, like how we do whenever we log into Cougar View. That would be easily accessible for somebody else to be able to do that as well, to be able to protect their privacy and all their data on their computer. The fifth would be keep the operating system, the apps that you use, and the browsers up to date to make sure that they're running smoothly, not slow. Number 6 is ignoring spam, like phishing emails or any advertisements that may pop up that seem realistic, but they're not. 7th would be backing up your computer and being able to do that on a regular basis to make sure that all your information on your computer is copied and being able to be saved somewhere like the cloud in case something were to happen to your computer. 8 would be turning off the system when not in use. 9, use encryption, and 10, securing your network. The importance of this would being able to utilize all of the features that can help your computer and the networks against unauthorized access from someone or possibly even bots. These steps are key in helping to keep your personal information safe and the health of your computer to run smoothly and operate without any errors. When installing the softwares, the apps, or internet browsers, make sure that the sources are credible and secure. For example, HTTPS. Being cautious of what you're downloading, what links you click on, websites you visit, and where your emails are coming from can help keep you guarded from suspicious activity. The solution would be to follow all these procedures to help deter unwanted and malicious activity. It can be very effective keeping your personal data out of the danger of somebody else's hands, and it can keep your information protected. Finding reasonable sources that cater to your needs for security purposes can boost your cyber awareness and ensure a safe and secure online environment.
And that's it for our project. Thank you.
Thank you.